how to install a Kong in place of the rear bladder in a Harley. The hardest part is getting the old bladder out. I've loosened a lot of the bolts, so it should be fairly easy to show you how simple it is to do. Okay, take the retaining pin out from the bladder. I've loosened these bolts already. This is the hinge pin. It comes out. Seat lifts off. Loosened these already. Fender mounts. And the tray comes out. First off, remove the main fuse just for safety. I've already done that. Next is to get the bladder out. We remove the ECM unit, and I just keep it out of the way. There. Next, we have to use a 1/2-inch bolt, 1/2-inch ratchet, or a Torx bolt. Undo these 2 screws. Next, remove the battery cover. And sometimes it's easier than others. Laid out of the way. Under here is 2 7/16 bolts. Just remove the 2 nuts. I've loosened them already. Careful not to drop them. This comes out. Pull the air hose out. Take it to the side. Here you'll see a dish. The Kong you prepped earlier. And the retaining hole. Make sure the retaining hole is perpendicular to the bike. It fits right in there. Okay. Replace battery cover. Secure the 2 bolts. Snug them up. Replace the ECM. Into its cradle. and replace the cover. I took the back seat off to make this very easy. This is 7/16. Snug them down. The extra large Kong fits right in there. The extra large Kong is inserted. If you wanted to use a large Kong, I'll prepare it here. It would fit in like that. Okay. The extra large one fits in nice and snug that way. There. Put in bolt. Tighten it down, you're done. That's it. If you want to put the retaining pin in, there you go. And it's set. The distance here, ideally, is 1 3/4 inches. With an extra large Kong, it may be a little more. How do you eliminate that? Pin out, put up. You can shave a 1/2 inch off of here and decrease it, or you go the other route. You take a 3/4 inch slice from an extra large Kong, or use any shim. Put that in like that. So put that in first. Sits in there. Sits right in the middle there. It's not going anywhere. That on there. And we've decreased this. That's probably 1 3/4 inches. I'll measure it. Quickly. Exactly 1 3/4 inches. That's all there is to it. You're done.